Welcome back to my Quiz Lab channel. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting quizzes.
Which flowers should your crush get you? Which party will you be going to? What's your ideal activity for a first date? Which is your favorite song? Which hairstyle do you prefer? What kind of love story do you dream of? What attitude do you admire in a crush? Who is your favorite huntress? Choose your water slide. Which flavor would you choose? Choose a romantic gift. Choose your car. Which compliment would make you smile? Describe your dream guy. Prom night is here. What's your ride? What's your deal breaker? Choose your outfit. What would you do stuck in the rain? What's your love language? Choose your toilet. would you hang out after school? Choose your drink. How do you usually spend your weekends? Choose your snack. Which fairy tale ending would you want to have?